Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how to create a new Google account. So let us start. First you have to open your Google search engine and go to your account here, profile. Then you have to click and add another account. And after that you have to click on create account. Then you have to select which option are you suitable with. If you want to create for your personal use, if you want to create for your child, if you want to create for your business, there are three options. For example, now I am clicking for myself. So here it will ask your names. For example, I am showing a name. It's this. This Lakshita and then Khan. For example, I am taking. Then see it comes like first you have to type everything in small Lakshita and don't put space, and then Lakshita Khan, and then like example if it's your birthdays on 27 May 2010, then you can put it like 2705, or you can do it as your phone password also. If your phone password is 1122, you can put 1122. Then you have to choose your account password. You can take any password. So for example, I am taking 12345, and for confirm also I am putting 12345. So here I have taken, so show password. See here both is 12345. Then we click on next, but it should be 8 characters or more for your password. So you can add more, like I have put it now more. So it's asking for stronger password. So maybe you can write like this, which I am writing. So see, I have, for example, I have put it like this. I have taken Lakshita @85. So let us see if this is acceptable. Wait. So it has taken the it has accepted the Google account and password which you wrote. Now for your verification, it will ask your number. You have to put your number, and you can select your country, which country are you from, which dial link is your dial code. Then I am just typing any number, for example, but it is okay. So I have just randomly typed a number, but you have to type your own number correctly. Then it will ask your verification code but I have put any number, so it will not come in my phone. So the verification code you have to type here, and when it will come the verification code, you have to type the verification code here, and you have to just click on verify, and your new Google account is ready to go. So hope it is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.